My kitty kitty. This is Edie. Hi, Edie. My kitty kitty loves me. That's how I can tell she loves me. You can see the glistening of drool because she dribbles when I pet her. Oh, look at the good pid. How old are you, kitty kitty? Oh, I saw a drip. You're drooling. Tell everyone that you are going to be 20 years old this year, aren't you? 20 years old. You're going to be 20? You're going to be 20? Look at you. Let's neaten that fur up. You're such a pretty kitty. You're not 20, are you? You act like you're still like 5. Kitty. You gonna dribble? You drooling? You're drooling on me. Let me see. Oh, I got dribble spots right there. Oh, you just dribbled on me again. Hi, Pin. That's my pitty Whithead. There's a beautiful kitty. Hi. Petting my kitty. You keep drooling on me. I just felt another drop. What are you doing? So, at 16, you didn't get a car, right? And at 18, you were supposed to move out and get a job. Did that happen? Well, no. You just decided if I'm just cute and cuddly, I can stay here forever. Well, I see some dribble. Oh, kitty, you're really drooling. You like getting petted. You are crazy drooling. Hi. You gonna just dribble that on me? I see glistening, goopy. Come here. Look at you. You're probably gonna wiggle and get it on my phone. Look at that good kitty. Oh, she likes a good pet. Oh. After 20 years of getting petted, I still love it so much. I still drool. And I like being on Daddy's jeans. Do we have Kleenex for you? You're just going to wipe it on the table? Good thing Mom's not home. Let's find a... You want a Kleenex, kitty? Oh, kitty. Oh, I love you so much, Pid. Yep, believe it or not, this kitty's 20 years old. Right? You were born in 1992. Summer. Just wipe that all over, because Mom's not home. She won't know that it's all over the table. My drooling Pid. Oh, good kitty. Oh. Love you, Pid. There you go.